We're in Nice at the TM Forum Management World. I'm with Cobb, and Graham, you've been telling me some really good stories about how you can fix some of the operators' largest problems and help them make more money. Sounds too good to be true.
It might sound too good to be true, but it's a great opportunity here for the operators. We're seeing the growth of mobile broadband being very successful around the world with all sorts of different technologies in all sorts of different countries. On the other hand, along with that growth comes the challenge of managing it, managing the network resources, managing how to make money out of it, monetizing that. And that's one of the top topics for the discussion today.
And how are operators currently addressing the challenge?
Well, today the issue is that they're seeing a lot of growth in the broadband business, mobile data business, and they're trying to manage that by controlling what people do, whether it's restricting particular activities, P2P downloads or voice over IP, or whether it's by imposing caps and quotas on how much people can download. That's not working terribly well, because the challenge here is not stopping what people do. Its challenge is working out how to make money from their aspirations.
And you're telling me you have a better solution than what operators are doing today to manage this very large issue?
Yeah, that's right. Today we've just announced our Bandwidth Manager product, which is aimed at addressing that. And it's part of what the operators are doing, is moving from caps and quotas and limits on what people can do, to providing them with a service that's tiered based on their bandwidth. So in order to do that, what that gives is it gives the user the ability to subscribe to the capabilities they want, and it gives the marketing department the capability to create different plans aimed at different market segments, whether it's people who just want to use email, video download, high definition video, or whatever. By dividing the market up, it allows the network engineers to manage the network resource more accurately, and it allows marketing to charge different prices for different types of service, which lets them tailor the pricing more specifically to the user's ability to pay.
And there's a way for them to make more money out of this as well.
Yeah, exactly, because as well as the basic service, this brings a great opportunity to add on and get people to pay for incremental capabilities. So for example, if you're currently on the bronze tariff and you've decided that this weekend you want to be able to watch the World Cup football, you could maybe subscribe temporarily to an upgrade to the gold tariff just for that weekend. And that you pay maybe, say, $10 for that. Well, this could be extremely profitable, particularly if this is a time when the network's not heavily loaded anyway. It gives the marketing department an opportunity to create these add-ons which people don't consider as part of the basic service. They're very happy to pay for something that they see with additional value.
Can an operator fund this in other ways apart from directly from the subscriber?
Yeah, that's an important part of it as well, because there's a limit to how much money the subscriber themselves are willing to pay for these things. So, for example, if there's a content partner who is making video available, then that content partner can choose to bundle the incremental bandwidth that's required just for that video. They're not paying for the user to access their competitors' videos. They're only paying for the bandwidth necessary to access that. Bundle that within the price of the video and pay the operator the premium that's necessary. And it doesn't even have to be the content provider. There may be a third party. We're going to see cases where, for example, a retailer might say, come and buy a new pair of football boots and we will give you some free video access to the World Cup content, and they will be funding that. So neither the content provider nor the operator nor the user. So this really opens up different revenue streams.
Thanks very much. It's a brilliant answer to the question.
Thanks very much for the opportunity, Mike. It may sound too good to be true, but come and talk to us for more detail.